Hey YouTube, so today I want to show you how to recharge your AC on a 3.7 liter Mustang from years 2011 through 2014. This might be slightly different on the S550 model chassis. I'm not entirely sure, so that's going to be any of the 2015 or newer V6s. Okay, so as you can see from the first shot, I'm using AC Pro to recharge my air conditioning today. It has sealant additives in it to help seal any leaks. I don't know if this is actually going to work or not, so I'm going to make a follow-up video on this, seeing how long this cold air lasts. I believe actually this is probably going to last me for a while. So here is our low point of the AC system. We're going to use that to recharge the system today. So basically you're just going to unscrew this, and then the AC recharge container will just fit right over the top of that, and it'll lock into place. It won't be able to move once it's on there correctly. Okay, so with the engine on and AC at full blast, we're going to go ahead and connect the hose without the AC attached to it, so that way I don't leak any on my hands. So now I'm going to go ahead and reattach the can to the hose, making sure it's on nice and tight, and then begin recharging the AC. Your AC compressor needs to be running to give you an accurate reading of your pressure. So you'll see later on here in the video, you'll hear the AC compressor kick on my car, and then I will show you on the gauge how it is in the low and not in the green like it shows right now. So I'm going to squeeze the trigger and rock the can back and forth like so for about 10 seconds at a time, checking the pressure whenever the compressor kicks on.
Thanks, man. Okay. Yeah.
After about 10 minutes, I got to my desired pressure on the gauge, which was right about 40, right in the green, middle of the green, and I was all set, ready to go in the car, check the AC, see if it's blowing cold, and detach the recharger.
Nice cold air.
And that's it for this video, guys. The air's blowing nice and cold for now. I'll make a follow-up video in a week, and then if it's still doing good, 2 weeks out, I'll make a post at least. 3 weeks, 4 weeks. And if you are seeing this movie or this video a lot later, just go ahead and send me a message or a comment, and I'll let you know how long this lasted for. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed that, please remember to like and subscribe. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.